These two famous teams have once again drawn a huge crowd.
The home team has gone with this lineup, and here is the away team formation.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Kick.
Good, clean challenge. Finds his teammate. Mbappe. Oh, what a great goal. Great headed goal there. He really got behind that one and gave the goalkeeper absolutely no chance. It's Messi with the ball. And the referee calls play back for offside. Headed on. It's Messi with the ball. Cancelo with the tackle. That's nicely played. Oh, confident defending. And now Dybala. It's Messi with the ball. Here's Van Dijk. Spreads the play. Silva. The replay will give us a closer look. A short goal kick there. Here's Van Dijk. Ramos tackles.
And it's half-time then.
One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half. Confident pass. That one has gone out of play. But it really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. Oh, he did really well there. It's with the striker now. That's good link-up play. Alexander-Arnold with a tackle. Mbappe. It could be a chance here. Surely now.
Oh, it's an equaliser, all square.
Solid strike there, never in doubt. Tactical change here then. He's got the goal in his sights.
Good ball.
He's headed the ball forward. Mbappe. Oh, good clearance there. And it's Ronaldo.
And that's well out.
Alexander-Arnold. Mbappe.
He got a good hand behind that.
Let's see what difference the change makes. And that's into the box. It's Ramos! Can you believe what you're seeing here? Emotional scenes. Not long left. Will anyone score? The fourth official has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time. He's found an opening. Oh, fantastic. You won't see many better goals than that.
Screens, there's a glass half empty in a house with a mirror in it. Tell me what you see, or tell me what you want to. I can fix it with a filter feeling. We're not really free, there's so much pressure weighing heavily, I'm barely breathing. Maybe I should leave, try and find a crown in my own damn kingdom. 'Cause I'm so sick of it, feeling so unachieved. This time wouldn't